Thank you, Amy, for doing this face mask. I love Snoopy. It's a really good quality. I don't know how long you spend. I really appreciate it, for real. And if someone needs some face mask, they should call Amy or text her. I bought two Snoopy, one for me and one for Hilda, and three blacks, one for Carlos and one for Juan Carlos, and one as a backup. I'm using one of my coveralls from work. This is microforest barrier fabric, and I'm gonna put inside the pocket. What I love about this face mask is that it has a pocket here. Really good quality. Oh my god, I'm impressed, really impressed. She is doing this like just to help the community. I love that. And it's so affordable. You have to contact Amy. So Carlos right now is using one of my coveralls from work, using the fabric. That is a really good fabric to as a filtration, like an extra layer of protection. And he's gonna put it inside the face mask. Oh, I love Snoopy. Oh, I love Snoopy. So this is, I don't know if I mentioned before, I knew Amy from the app Nextdoor, and she's doing this kind of face mask just to help our community to be safe. When we have a lot of work, or depending on the situation, we're going to use the 3M N95 mask, because it's depending on the situation. But if this is a regular client or a house that we already know the service, because most of our clients are seniors or things like that, people that have they're disabled, things like that. No, Blake. We're gonna use this Q mask. Thank you again, Amy, and thank you all the people that participate in Nextdoor application. This is Frela from anyhousecleaning.com.